Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about something very important yet often overlooked: cleaning your microwave. A surprising survey by the National Sanitation Foundation revealed that almost half of microwave handles and keypads in American homes tested positive for harmful bacteria. This puts microwaves among the top 10 most germ-ridden items in our households. Our first method to clean a microwave is a simple one, using just vinegar and water. Fill a microwave-safe bowl halfway with water, add a tablespoon of white vinegar, then put it in the microwave. Heat it until the water starts to boil. For our second method, we'll be using baking soda. Make a paste with 2 parts baking soda and 1 part water. Apply this paste to the interior of the microwave, then let it sit for about 5 minutes before wiping it off. The third method involves using a lemon. Cut a lemon in half, squeeze the juice into a half cup of water in a microwave-safe bowl, then drop the lemon halves into the bowl. Microwave it until the water boils, then let it sit for a few minutes before wiping down the interior. Our fourth method uses dish soap. Fill a bowl with warm water, add a few drops of dish soap, then dip a sponge into the mixture and use it to wipe down the inside of the microwave. The final method incorporates the use of commercial microwave cleaning products. Follow the instructions on the product's label, ensuring to rinse thoroughly to remove any chemical residue. Remember, a clean microwave not only looks good but also promotes healthier cooking. So, let's make it a habit to clean our microwaves regularly using these easy methods. Stay clean, stay healthy.